Hey, Sealy Clark here. I'm coming to you with a little bit of a public service announcement about traffic exchanges. If you haven't used traffic exchanges to get advertising to your websites and offers, feel free to do so. At the buttons below, I have two other buttons down below this video that tell you how to use the traffic exchange and then how to surf traffic exchanges in multiple tabs. Now, as you can see up top here, I'm surfing 5 or 6 traffic exchanges, and for whatever reason, sometimes the server on them runs slow, or sometimes my computer decides to be a pain in the butt. But instead of having all the images you're supposed to have here, it'll just give you these little bunk windows, okay, that don't have an image. Because this one is the image you're supposed to match to, so you don't have all the information you need. Now, instead of clicking on it, taking a chance, or anything of that nature, what you're going to do is you're going to hit home, okay? Because if you get too many incorrect clicks in a traffic exchange, it will give you a hard time. I don't know how many incorrect clicks you need before they'll give you a hassle, but I have heard of people surfing too fast, or curse the big fingers on an iPad and frigging up and missing clicks, and they get talked to by the admin. So anyway, instead of clicking it, taking a chance, what I want you to do is just hit home, okay? Give that a second, go about your business on the other traffic exchanges for a minute, then come back. Get back into the surf bar, let it load once. So, for those of you that aren't using traffic exchanges, no matter what your business is, feel free to check them out. They're a great traffic resource. I've been using them ever since I've been online. So anyway, that's it, guys. See how it came out now? That's how it's supposed to look. See, it says compact disc, okay, and there's a compact disc here. So now you have everything you need to click and have it give you points instead of get you in trouble. All right, guys, that's it. Until I talk to you again, have a great night.